Hello, I'm Dr. Praveen Bopaiah. I'm a pediatrician, been practicing for the last 29 years. So, at the very outset, let me congratulate Aashwasan on this beautiful milestone and a special love and birthday wishes to Rashmi. Rashmi came to me as a dear parent of a lovely daughter, and I've run this beautiful journey with her for the last 15 years and have cherished her love, cherished her affection and warmth, and more than anything, I've savored her amazing gift of this experience of Aashwasan. To me, Aashwasan is hope. Being a person of science and medicine, very often I've come across situations where I have looked for something more than just medicine, and that is where I have experienced this amazing phenomenon of what Aashwasan and Rashmi does. A lot of my patients have benefited, a lot of my patients have experienced this amazing gift of this universe of hope, and have come to me grateful for having given them this I would say direction. And I'm so grateful to Rashmi and for Team Aashwasan for everything that I've done to so many of my patients who've reached them with hope. They've experienced this, they've come out of it, some of them are still with them, and so at this juncture of this milestone event, I wanted to come by and this message of gratitude and gratefulness, and praying that Rashmi continues to do this amazing, I would say, this experience, and grateful to the universe to have given us directions to reach Rashmi and Aashwasan.